Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. We're expecting some very warm weather over the western parts of South Africa for today, but that changes over the next few days with the approach of the next cold front. While for most of the interior, only very patchy thunderstorms are expected for much of this week, so we're not expecting much in the way of rain for most places. Now we can see on our satellite loop the settled pattern is already in place. There were a couple of thunderstorms in the Highveld late yesterday, while the western parts of the country have remained fine and dry. This morning starts off fairly cloudy for some parts of the eastern interior, including in KwaZulu-Natal, as there was a thick layer of low-level cloud across the province. There's a low-pressure system in the Mozambique Channel, and that's bringing heavier falls of rain to the central parts of Mozambique. Now for the rest of today, it remains very hot in the west. We're expecting temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s for some places, mainly clear in that area. Thunderstorms extending into central South Africa. Otherwise, it's going to be a partly cloudy day over the eastern half of South Africa. Now looking ahead to tomorrow, and it's going to be cooler over the western parts as this low pressure system pushes in air from the Atlantic Ocean. A couple of thunderstorms expected for some parts of the Northern Cape, including around Uppington, and we could see a couple of thunder showers as well over the interior of KZN. Now for today, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for a high fire danger over the extreme western parts of South Africa due to the high heat across the area as well as low humidity. Rainfall probabilities for today indicating dry conditions over the Cape provinces, but for the central parts, up to a 40% chance for a couple of thunder showers, perhaps even on the Mpumalanga Highveld and in Gauteng and around the Drakensberg areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Along the coastal parts of that province, on the other hand, dry weather will continue for today. Mainly light winds expected for most of South Africa, although wind speeds will be picking up along the Eastern Cape coastline, once again becoming fresh at times. Maximum temperatures now, and it remains milder towards the east. Temperatures below 30 degrees for most places, but temperatures steadily increase as we head further westwards. Upper 30s for the Northern Cape and even into the low 40s near the western coastline. Cape Town will peak at 35. Tomorrow morning will be cool over the eastern high ground of South Africa, below 15 degrees. Similar conditions over the southern mountains, but along the coastline temperatures will generally be in the upper teens overnight. Bloemfontein today gets to 31, partly cloudy with that chance for a couple of thunder showers, and we could see thunderstorms lasting into the early evening, but things will clear later on and it will be cool overnight with a minimum of 13 early on Wednesday. By the afternoon, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy and mainly dry for most of the interior, much cooler for Cape Town at 27. And on Thursday, we're expecting it to be a sunny day for Durban and Richards Bay, and temperatures rise in Gauteng, Pretoria getting to 33.